Hi everyone, this is your Pavitra Bharatapu. I am currently graduating BTech third year from the Department of Civil Engineering, which representing Mega Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women, affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad. So I welcome to everybody to the India's first digital conclave on COVID-19. So we are doing the project about the building constructions under the lockdown period. So why only the humans can build the building constructions in a long period of time, which means the cost of building is also very high. So a real civil engineer wants to be design a building construction in a very short period of time with using the different technologies. So in my project I am using the 3D printing technology. That is a very extraordinary technique which I am using in my project. So 3D printing is nothing but it's a combination of sensors and electronic circuits and motors and shaft. So let us have a look at the 3D printers in the simulation software which we have to be designed. We can observe the image number 1 in simulation software. 3D printers, which contains a tool option. Tool is nothing but the shaft. It's a mechanical rod which is used to connect the 2 or more devices. We can even observe the target number 1, the object which has to be picked by the 3D printers. So what exactly the reference frame we'll see in the next image. Yes, we are observing the second image. In simulation software, the reference frame is an imagination or visualization of 3D printers. Whenever it observes any type of object, yes, imagine the 3D printers has to pick a brick or a cement block. It can visualize and understand and read, and it can scan. Yes, it can scan the object in the 3-dimensional pictures, that is an X and Y and Z. So it reads the external object in the terms of 3-dimensional quantity. So let us go to the next stage of simulation software. Yes, we are observing another image, the 3D printers. It can scan practically on a cement block. The dimensions of a cement block is ready to pick up the cement block picture. Let us discuss regarding the project block diagram. What exactly we are doing in our project. I am having a building plan. This particular building plan must be applied to the 3D printers. According to the specification of building plan in the 3D printers, it automatically has to construct the house or a building. So then how it works, we'll see in the basic block diagram. In my project, building plan is applied to the microchip. Let's see what's a microchip. It is designed by the Intel company, entire computer on a single chip. Yes, it is a very small in size, and whatever operations can done by the computer will be done by the microchip. Microchip, it can easily understands and read and scan the building plan, which updates into the electronic circuit. So which is made of the number of transistors, and it passes signals to the motors. Then the motor starts a rotation. When the motor starts the rotation, the shaft is a coupling device and it starts a rotation. Now the 3D printer is a position to construct the building. Let us have to look at the project implementation video in simulation software. Now it's running the software. We can see change in the values. We can have an object which is picked up. Now entire 3D printer which contains a building planning and microchip and electronic circuit and motor and shaft, which is connected to the object which can be picked up. Now building plan is applied to the microchip. The microchip converts the building plan into appropriate signals. It stunts the circuit and motor, and finally 3D printers are starts. It resumes its operation to construct the buildings. The final output is how much power is applied to the 3D printers, and it's proportionally how much work is done. We have obtained two graphs. The top one indicates how much power is applied to the 3D printers, and bottom one indicates how much work done by the 3D printers. Both are proportionally each other. Yes, we will construct the building like this by using 3D printing technology. Thank you so much.